Three things I stopped doing that helped me improve. Number one, I stopped comparing my journey with others. Na-realize kong kanya-kanya tayo ng timeline, ng sitwasyon, ng struggles. Saka sabi nga, comparison is the thief of joy. With this mindset, mas nakapag-focus ako sa pag-hone ng skills ko. Number two, I stopped waiting for the perfect moment. Kasi, hindi naman darating yun. The perfect time to start is now. Saka, sure namang you'll learn along the way. Number three, I stopped surrounding myself with people who keep on gossiping or complaining. Pag kasi mga ganong klaseng tao ang madalas na nakakasalamuha mo, may tendency na ma-absorb mo yung mentality nila. Kaya kung ang gusto mo ay maging successful, surround yourself with people who are committed to success. Ikaw, what are the things you stopped doing that help you improve? Pakishare naman sa comment section para matulungan din natin yung iba.